Alright guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since my last video was made. It's been about a few months. Things going on, you know. It's life. Lost my voice in the process, you know. Got it back. Doing better. Thanks for asking. We're gonna do something a little different today. It's gonna be low light filming because it's gonna be demonstrating LEDs, different type of LEDs for any type of car that takes the 194, the T10, these type. You know, this one right here is your typical 10 LED, and then you got your, I think this one's the 5 LED. This one's white, amber, red. This one's pink, but when you light it up, it looks purple and blue, green. So I'm going to show these on the Acura Integra. You can put them in, you know, any Honda that doesn't already have LEDs in it, because I know the newer style, like the 12s or the 10s, they already have a backlit. It's already in the gauge cluster. But these I'm going to show it on mainly like 90s Hondas, where you can pull them out. So we're gonna do that, but it's still bright outside, so I'm gonna have to cover up the windows. Probably gonna use like black trash bags to make it nice and dark, so you can actually see the stuff. You can actually see these on, and it's a fairly simple process. I have a video that I made about 4 years ago. It's about a 12-minute video. I might throw the link in if you want to see it, but I'm gonna show you as I do it, because I mean, I gotta get it out, get the cluster out. So thanks for tuning in. Roll the intro. What's up, broskies? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Gilbert. Alright, so as y'all see, it's a lot of daylight out here. You know, it's about 11:30 on a Sunday, which is March 31st, I think. Where's my phone? Yeah, March 31st. I think that's the first time I ever put a date on a video, because sometimes it takes me like 2 weeks sometimes to get them out. But life, man. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna do. It's just black trash bags. You know what I mean? It didn't really matter. Looks like it's some homeboy tint. Yeah, bro, look at that. That's 5%. Yeah. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do to get this going, so we can demonstrate and show you what these bulbs look like. I got the stuff, man. There they are. That high def. All right, well, let's get this going. Sorry, my neighbor's doing yard work. It's Sunday. Can't be mad at the guy. So, all right guys, so first up we got, I'm gonna show y'all how to pull this out, which right now I have it takes a screw there and a screw there. I don't have those in. Haven't had them in since I was troubleshooting some things. I just never put them back in. I was like, you know what, it don't vibrate. So you take these out and you pull it, you just pull out, you know, wiggle it, you'll get it. Don't worry, you won't break it. Okay, now I don't have these in here, I guess because I was gonna show y'all, but you have another one here, another one in there. There's like a little dowel pin You don't have to do it with dowel pin, it just aligns it. And another one right in there. So you got 3. This one right here, you're gonna need like a small. Do I have it in here? You're gonna need a small screwdriver, like a little stubby, because you can't get a full-size screwdriver in there. Trust me, you'll have trouble. I mean, you can get it if you're creative. All right, so you just pull this guy out, and you can unhook everything, but I usually just spin it like 180, and then you can see the back. See these big guys right here? There's a bunch of little ones down here. Those are like your they're your like little like I said, dummy lights. But you only need 3 for this one. This guy, this guy, this guy. Now these are the reds. I'm gonna put them back in there to show you, but right now just showing you how to take them out. And gotta pull up the video because I don't have a screen on these GoPros. So, okay, so these guys, these are sockets. Okay, these are the sockets. Get your light, the bulb, pop them in. Now when I'm gonna close the door, these only go in one way. I mean, they go in both ways. But when you put it in and you twist it and it doesn't work, you're gonna have to take it out, flip it 180 degrees, which is a half turn, 360 full turn. But take it out, rotate it 180, put it back in, and then it's good to do it with your lights on. I'll show you right here. Okay, turn on the lights, as you can see. Okay, yeah, those are blue. I don't like them. Okay, that turned on, but if you pull it out and you rotate it 180 and you put it in, screw it in, it's not gonna work. So you're gonna have to unscrew it, rotate it, and then there you go. So I'm gonna get the rest of these in, and I'm gonna show you the finished product. Okay, right here is the finished product for the reds. It's kind of dark, and this is the brightest it goes. So, I mean, personally, preference, it's not my favorite. Know what I mean? Let's see. But it does look pretty cool. It looks kind of, how you said, almost like the car should be named Darth Vader. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty slick. All right, now I'm gonna change you over to the greens. Be right back. All right, greens. I really do like them. They're awesome. They're really bright. And that's the lowest that goes on the adjuster. Pretty dope. But for some reason I have a little dark spot there. I don't know why it is, but maybe it's just I don't know if it's my, I bet you I mean, it's all right, but I do like the color. Look at that. Bam. All right, I'm gonna switch you up to the blues. Be back right now. So I've ran these personally in my car for about a year. They're pretty good. Give it a nice cool look. That's why I ended up putting my instrument cluster over here. Can't really see me because, yeah, these guys here. We see the climate control. I put those blue so they can match, but now I'm going a little different route, and you'll see. Yeah, I really do like these. Let me see your comments down below. Which one's your favorite? But there's still more. Next, I'm gonna do the. What do I got? Let me see. Oh, I guess I'll do the amber next. Give you one more look. These are the ones I'm gonna be running. I just think they look so, they're my absolute favorite out of all the colors, because they're just so bright, so white. I mean, it lets you know everything, what's going on. But yeah, this is the one I will be running. You know, I wish I had stock bulbs, original OEM bulbs to compare to. Oh, I'm dead. Yeah, I wish I had original bulbs to compare how dingy they look. Well, you know what? I have one bulb I can give you an example on that I haven't changed. Is the lighter, the cigarette lighter one. It's just an odd. I can't really find the bulb. If y'all guys know the bulb, like this one too. So dingy compared to that. Compared to just brings me to the 21st century. Yeah. that's gonna wrap it up for the LEDs. Yeah, that was the blues, the reds, ambers, the purples, which the pink on this, and then the greens. But yeah, I am gonna be keeping those in there. I really do like those. Yeah, those are LED, and that's LED. So is the hatch, but that's a different setup. Right now, I just got it kind of on the strut bar. I know it's kind of crazy, but that's the way I got things right now. A little weird. I gotta get my life in order. But yeah, lots of light. Alright. Well, like I said, it was gonna be a low light video, even though it's really bright outside. But yeah, that's a demonstration of basically all the colors you can get. Which is the last one was like a white, hyper white. Same thing. The 194, the T10. I mean, this, if you look up this bulb, it has like a good 15 different model numbers, because they use this bulb on damn near every car known to man. I think even back since the Model A. Don't believe me on that. Alright, brothers, this is Gilbert with Ratchet Rice Rockets. Hit me a comment down below which one's your favorite. See you on the next one.